Like, we stayed up all night. Stayed up all night, bro. We were supposed to go to Omaha, but we didn't have a week.
It's free for life.
Let me see your screen.
So basically, you can take that credit and put it towards the line. So since you're not paying for a phone, you can actually pay off your line for that line. And then.
Do you want to be in my vlog?
Do I look like I want to be in your vlog?
Man, you watch my videos.
You watch your videos?
You watch my videos.
I do watch your videos.
Yeah, because my phone is currently looking like this.
Might you turn it on?
My back camera.
Already got the supplies.
Make sure you don't get faded. Make sure before you fish, just go like this, just straight, and then just like, you put it in there. I'll help you like make sure it's all the way in. I'll pause. I'll make sure it's all the way in. Hey, I'm a miner. Not a one, I swear.
What the fuck? Shut up, you're the one that came. You're like, let's go fishing, let's go fishing.
Nelson said that's here. So you can't.
We're out here.
I love you.
Then we got them plushes right there, like, bro. Such a mess.
No, like literally. Sit up real quick, bro.
Do you think I'm gonna hit him in the face? I think I'm gonna hit him in the face.
There's a lot of men out there.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, heck yeah! Trying to catch Shrek in there. One more Shrek in there.
Oh, fuck.
Did you almost catch it? Hey, you guys should do the first one, I mean the last one between you two, the loser has to jump in the pond.
No way, I just snagged my line. It's seaweed. Who put this on for you? You put it on?
Yeah. I put it on, bro.
Flip this. Go. Make sure you hit the water.
Cut some grass.
You hit it? Here, I'll put it in the water for you.
Try to catch. He's gonna try to catch.
Looking at you like this.
He's gonna try to catch Shrek right now. Yo, shit! You almost hit his eye. You almost got his eye.
Sorry, don't stand behind me. Oh, shit.
New title: Fishing almost killed.
Holy shit.
Almost died.
I just had another one. I just had another one. Hey, you want to see the fish?
Do it.
It's just a little baby. Oh.
Bro, just return it to Walmart. You're good. Show your receipt.
Oh shit.
You threw it away.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Now you're stuck with one lemon, not even knowing how to fish.
Fuck, bro.
Let me see.
This motherfucker freaked out.
Yeah, bro, I freaked out.
With that crack screen.
Of course.
I'm joking.
Right, that shit is strong as fuck. No, you haven't even seen it on night, bro.
Do it again, Dad.
No,
See what, bro?
These are new jeans.
See what, bro?
See that grip, bro? See that grip?
You want to say chicken nuggets?
Conoces a los jugadores.
Hola, Lina.
Toño. Ahí es Toño. Toño. Él es allí. Allí le voy a ir a ahorita.
¿Qué quieres decir?
De volante va a darle uno.
¿Qué? ¿Yo qué? Está todos.
Se fue, ahí va él.
Sí, ¿y dónde está Chino?
Ahí va.
Ahí lo estás perdiendo.
Está chino. Son
Es que no puedes jugar con tres del... No, es que sí, por eso... Si metes a otro cabrón arriba, tienes que sacar uno del medio, mijo. Y tienes que sacar... Tú nomás quieres meter, pero tienes que sacar a alguien.
Sí, pues.
¿Y aquí vas a sacar?
En la media ya sacaron uno.
Aquí yo estoy preguntando quién es este cabrón que va a jugar aquí. Aquí está el cortadillo, está Paco, ¿quién va a jugar aquí?
Espérate, aguanta. ¿Quién solo?
Entonces tú no vas a entrar ahorita.
No sé, pues lo que estoy viendo. Hay tres cabrones tomando decisiones diferentes.
Ok, aquí tú vas a ir por él.
Por él. ¿Tú qué? ¿Tú qué? ¿Qué quieres decir? Que te metan, que te metan.
Aquí ponga chino. Por favor, en vez de
Sí, dale otro nivel, que se exprima este güey más
No, es que tiene velocidad.
El otro hay que cubrir el pase, porque ellos van a buscar el pase siempre, no nos van a pasar, van a buscar pase.
Yo lo que quiero es unidad en el equipo, quiero que todos nos entendamos, que juguemos como tenemos que jugar y hagamos las cosas bien. 11 jugadores tienen ellos y 11 jugadores somos nosotros. Delanteros tienen ellos y delanteros tenemos nosotros. Vamos a hacer las cosas bien y le vamos a meter huevos como deben de ser. Vamos a con todos.
Vamos.
Vamos.
Wow, number 69. Make score go for me, bro.